Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Emily, and in today's video I will be creating a 3D project featuring some of the new goodies from Scrappy Diva design. And I started off by using an old but a really good one. This one is called box making strips, and it's really exactly what it does. I cut all of my pieces to the new sewing machine mini album. You can see them up in my corner there. And then I tried to figure out how big of a box I wanted, and to help myself with the measurement, I just scored them so they will fit nicely on the bottom of my sewing machine, and then have some edges to go up. And I just used my scoreboard to do that, and then I glued it with my Nuvo adhesive. And you can see I have my glue gun here ready to go. I'm just pressing one of the sides at a time to really make those little feet grab on to my back side or my front side. I don't know which one is which at this point. And then I'm doing the same thing to the other side of this box, just making sure that I have everything straight. This is, I think, my second box that I'm creating with this die set, and I'm really impressed. The last time I did a shoe, I have a video, a tutorial here that I can link to if you like to watch that one as well. This one was a little bit easier because it's just straight lines. The other one, I was trying to follow the edges of the shoe. It was a little bit more tedious, but it went really nice as well. So you can really use these. These are versatile products. So for the back side, I flipped all my dies, so I had my beautiful pattern paper at the back when I cut it, just to make sure that I had it the right way so I could decorate both sides. I raised up my little mechanism here, and I cut those out of gold mirror cardstock to match the pattern paper that I used. For the front side, I actually raised this one up with some foam, just to give it some dimension. I love dimension on projects. I think it really makes them a little bit more unique and stand out a little bit more. I used a foam square as well for this side, just to have that little mechanism moving. And then we went ahead and decorated with the gold piece here, and there will be two just flat blue pieces that matches the background that we used. And I will have one to the bottom as well, and the back side looks exactly like the front, so they are matching. I will have some more decorations on the front here in a second, but you can see this is really nice. And then I can go ahead and attach both my sides to my box, and that will really help it come together. One thing I was thinking about that I didn't do, but I probably should have done, I could have decorated the inside as well, to just not have it completely white. It would have been nice to have that blue paper on the inside as well. So if I'm gonna make this again, or to the next 3D project I'm creating, I would probably cut it out of some color for the inside as well. So for my message for this box, I am using the new sewing stamp. I'm so awesome, this will say, and it's like this punny sentiment. And the die I used for the circle here and the doily in the background is actually called Shabby Chic Doily, I believe. Hang on, I will have it here somewhere. No, it's called Flower Doily, of course. It's beautiful. It has a ton of different sizes, so you can really mix and match your project. I stamped this in clear ink, and I will have some white embossing powder on top of it, and then I can heat set it off camera, and this will really help my sentiment to tie in with the rest of the project. I love how this turned out. I think it's so cute to use some embossing on top of your panels. Look at this. And the doily, I cut out some cream colored cardstock so it wasn't stark white. I think that also was nice with the white sentiment, that we have that little bit of a contrast. Now I'm just playing around. Where should the sentiment go? It's quite big, so I needed some more elements to not make it look so weird on top of that one. So now I'm using, this is probably one of my favorite things from this release, and it's the Shabby Chic Memory Decks. I just used it for this project this month, and I'm so sorry that I didn't use it more, because there is some fantastic products in this one. I have to go back and create some more projects, I think, because this was just an amazing set. I really want to create that memory decks as well. So here we have some cute scissors. I just wanted to have them in gold as well, just to tie everything in, and then we can put some foam, and we can have our little, what should we call it, label or tag or whatever, on top of it, our little doily. And of course we're gonna need some dimension here for our scissor, and yeah, it's just super adorable. And I just put that little dot back, so you can see here how it turned out for all of the sides. You can really decorate the back as well. I think that would have been nice. So thank you so much for stopping by my channel today. I will have links down below for the products I used in this video. I will also have my coupon code that will give you 10% off your next purchase if you use that one, over at Scrap Diva Designs. Until next time, have a great day. Bye!